All right, so now that you've taken the time to try numbers 2 and 4 on your own, I'm going to go ahead and go over those. So you should be following along, checking your work and fixing any mistakes that you may have made. So for number 2, first thing I'm going to do is label my A, B, and C. So opposite of my right angle is always the C, and that means the other two are A and B. And remember, it doesn't matter which is A and which is B. From there, I will substitute in, instead of A squared, I'm going to write 15 squared plus, instead of B squared, it will be 18 squared equals, and instead of C squared, it will be X squared. From there, you can use your calculator. We follow order of operations. 15 times 15 is 225 plus 18 times 18 is 324. And then once we've taken care of those exponents, now we can go ahead and add, which gives us 549. And then I forgot to bring down, but I should have been bringing down my equals x squared. And so now we are looking for what number times itself is 549. So the opposite of squaring is to square root. So we're going to go ahead and take the square root of 549. I'm getting a decimal, so I need to round. 23.43. That 4 is in the tens place. The 3 is going to make the 4 stay the same. So 23 and 4 tenths is equal to our x value. And for number 4, I will start by identifying my hypotenuse. Opposite that right angle is my C value. A and B are my legs. Instead of A squared, I'm going to do 12 squared plus, instead of B squared, it will be 9 squared equals, instead of C squared, it will be X squared. We follow those order of operations and take care of those exponents. 12 squared is 144 plus 9 squared is 81 equals X squared. We can then go ahead and add 144 plus 81, and that gives us 225 equals X squared. So we're looking for what number times itself is 225. So we're going to go ahead and square root 225. And we get 15 is equal to X. So no rounding necessary.